Hardwire, B-Kit add-on vehicle armor and transparent armor window inserts give your vehicle a layer of protection against active shooters or ambush attacks. They're designed using the same ballistic technology we developed for the U.S. military after September 11th and are trusted by major police departments across the country, including the NYPD. To make our B-Kit add-on door armor, we take layers of the strongest materials in the world and fuse them together under 25 million pounds of force to create a lightweight product that stops bullets and gives your officers peace of mind on patrol. Inspired by the military B-Kit vehicle armor, Hardwire B-Kit add-on door armor is fixed onto the outside of the door. It comes with a precision-molded and OEM color-matched cover to blend seamlessly with your existing vehicle color and type to offer life-saving protection while maintaining the feel of community policing. It can be installed in under 10 minutes and can easily be removed when vehicles are decommissioned or swapped to a different vehicle in the event of an accident. Anti-tamper fasteners keep the armor securely in place over rumble strips or on high-speed chases. Our B-Kit panels are available in 3 levels of protection. Our Level 3A door panel protects against handguns and shotguns. Our Level 3 door panel protects against handguns, shotguns, and assault rifles. And our Level 3 Plus panel protects against handguns, shotguns, assault rifles, and the 8.55 green tip penetrator round. At Level 3A Plus, our transparent armor window insert protects against handguns and shotguns. It can be installed or uninstalled in less than a minute and does not interfere with normal operation of your OEM window. Precision engineered and designed using technology developed for the U.S. Department of Defense. Hardwire vehicle armor buys your officers time to assess a threat, defend themselves, and take action. Better yet, our vehicle armor has been found to be a deterrent from attackers altogether.